In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on Viber. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to change your phone number on Viber is really simple. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Viber app. Once you open up Viber, you will be on this page here, and from here you will need to click on More in the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on More, you will be brought to this page here, and from here you will need to click on the Settings tab. Once you click on Settings, as you can see, you have a few options here, and the one we will need today in this tutorial is Account. If you click on Account, as you can see now, there is an option for Change Phone Number. If you click on that, it will give you two options. So the first option is if you have a new phone number only, and the second option is if you have a new phone number and new device. So for this tutorial, we will be going ahead and clicking on New Phone Number. Click on Continue and you'll get this little pop-up, and it will just give you a little disclaimer here, basically saying that all Viber users that have your number will get a notification that your number has now changed. So what you can do now is click on Continue, and then once you do that, as you can see, there is an option now to enter in your phone number. So choose your country code to begin with. So for me it would be the United Kingdom, and then I would enter in my new phone number here, and then once you have done that, all you need to do is simply click on Continue. So that's how you can go ahead and change your phone number on Viber.